So they've recently been working on villa renovations at Marriott's Grande Ocean on Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. Let's take a look at the before and after, right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy, and we're going to start out in this villa here at Marriott's Grande Ocean on Hilton Head Island, taking a look at the entryway and utility area, where there is also the washer and dryer. I didn't notice any changes here. Now let's move into the guest bedroom and take a look at what's changed. In all honesty, there really aren't too many drastic changes in here. That nightstand between the two queen-size beds looks to be the same. The only things I could really notice here is maybe a fresh coat of paint, definitely new carpeting, and what looks like maybe new box springs on there as well. Of course, it's also quite likely that they switched out the mattresses there too. You can ignore those bed runners in the before video footage here, because those actually don't exist in the newer remodeled villa, mainly because they have removed them due to the pandemic and COVID mitigation. I do want to give a shout out and a thank you to the staff at Marriott's Grande Ocean for giving me the opportunity to take a look at an unrenovated villa. This is in fact the model unit that they do use for sales in Hilton Head Island and at Grande Ocean. Okay, now we're going to take a look at the guest bathroom. Now this is probably one of the things that longtime guests and owners may notice here. They actually did switch out that shower door that when you would open it, it would actually hit the toilet there in this guest bathroom. They actually did switch it out for what actually is a pretty good idea here, sliding glass doors on the shower. Perfect setup. You no longer have that shower door running into and hitting the toilet when you open it. So definitely a good change here in the guest bathroom. But really, other than that, I did not see too much else that had changed here in this guest bath. Now moving on into the kitchen, this is where you'll start to notice some bigger changes. It looks like new cabinets. They replaced those kind of, I don't know what they call them, is that kind of a pink color? Anyway, they did switch those out for a more wood style look. I really wish they would have gone with white cabinets. I really prefer white cabinets, but unfortunately they didn't. Maybe there are some issues with keeping those clean, but really, other than that, there were no other major changes here. The appliances all looked to be the same. Now moving into the dining room, the only major change here that I can see is essentially what they're kind of doing in a lot of villas is they're making kind of covers for these chairs and putting them over the backs. Essentially the exact same chair there, or essentially they've just kind of put this cover on to give it a new look. Now moving into the living room, this here is where we start to see a few additional changes. Definitely new furniture, but the drapery and everything else seems to be the same. New carpeting here as well, so definitely a newer, fresher look here in the living room of this beautiful 2-bedroom villa. So if you've made it this far, you're certainly liking this video. So please do this video a huge favor and hit that thumbs up button. It really does help out the channel and it doesn't cost you a thing. And also, if you want to see more videos just like this one, timeshare tips, resort reviews, villa tours, and even some more of these before and after villa renovation videos, be sure to subscribe down below. Also, hit that notification bell and select all so you don't miss out on a single video. Alright, let's continue on. We still have the master bedroom and master bath to take a look at. But before we head out of the living room here, looking at this television and TV stand, I'm not noticing any changes. In fact, they still have the same DVD player here that they had previously, which unfortunately means you still can't watch any Blu-ray movies. Now moving into the master bedroom here, you can see they actually removed this chair and nightstand and replaced it with a desk. If you've seen any of our previous videos, you know we love having a desk in the timeshare unit, perfect for this day and age of remote work. Now the other change you're going to notice here in this master bedroom, master bathroom area is they actually closed off the master bedroom from the master bathroom. It used to actually be pretty wide open. They closed it off and put a barn style door in there. Pretty good. Really do like that. Adds a little bit of extra privacy here in the bathroom. Now you'll notice that none of the bathroom fixtures, the bathroom cabinets, the mirrors, none of that looks to have been changed, at least in the villas that I stayed in and the villa that we're looking at here from before. Now, one other big change here in the master is the setup of the shower. No longer is the shower door in the separate room where the toilet is. It is actually out in the main area of the bathroom. A very nice large shower here with a beautiful shower seat in there as well. So we definitely do like the changes here with the master bathroom shower. But of course, with a larger shower, there is a bit of compromise. They did remove that larger bathtub and replace it with a smaller one. Moving out to the patio, I didn't get any of the before video of the patio, but looking at the patio furniture here, there really doesn't look to be any changes. So what are your thoughts on the villa renovations here at Marriott's Grande Ocean on Hilton Head Island? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And to see more videos about timeshare, check out the description box below. For another video about Marriott's Grande Ocean, check that one out up there in the upper right. And YouTube, they think you'll like the one right below that. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, let's make your next destination a timeshare.